Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process of how to put your website under construction mode. So maybe you are designing your website, or you are making some updates. You don't want people to see it in its uncompleted form, so you want to put it under construction. So first of all, log into the WordPress admin dashboard. After you log in, come to the plugins and click on add new plugin. There are many plugins that you can use to do this. The one that I would recommend is what? There's one that the name is Site Offline. Site Offline. Site Offline. So that is this one. So you install it and then you activate it. So when that is done, you come to your left hand corner. You will see it showing here, and then let me just show you. Very good. So you come here. Now you will see the part where you are supposed to put a logo. So you put your logo, and then make sure that it is on enabled. If it is disabled, it will never show. So click on enabled. By default, it will always be on the disabled. So you put it on the enabled. Put your logo here if you want your logo to show, and then put site under construction here, and then you come to the description. There will normally be some dummy data or some default text, so just edit it and then put the one you want to show. You put on we are currently making some update, we'll get back to you, or whichever message you want to add. Then you can come to the countdown and then put the date that you want it to show. For example, so let's say I want January 25th 2025, so I'll put this one, and then you just click on what save settings. Okay, so after you save it, normally you have to wait between 5 to 15 minutes, and then you come to the site. If you come, it may be like this, then you click on refresh, and then it will turn to site under construction. So if you follow this step-by-step process, you will be able to do that, to you'll be able to put your site under construction. Anytime you want to put it off, just come back to the site, and then you'll have to disable it. So when you come, you can come here and click on disabled, and then save the settings again, and then it will be put off. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.